Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best steel spot welding machine reviews. Features: Argon Arc Spot Welders includes 5 preset basic programs for gold AU, cobalt chrome, CoCR, hybrid welding, such as precious to non-precious, titanium TI, and orthodontics. Besides its features compact size, safe and stable system, easy operations, low noise and maintenance. It requires minimum working space, and the adjustable power and pulse settings allows adjustment of penetration depth and welding spot diameter.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.